checked in at Busco Beach. We're a little late. It's about 6 p.m. And now we gotta find the Cars and Cameras guys. But I think we're in the right direction.
Guess I go this way.
Yeah.
And that way.
Took us about 3.5 hours to get down here.
Well, 3.5 only because we stopped for gas.
Yeah.
How much gas mileage were you getting?
We're getting like 8 miles to the gallon for some reason. A lot of hills, my truck was struggling.
We got quite the loadout.
Well, they didn't get the rain they were supposed to get today, so it's definitely gonna be dusty. Can already taste it on my teeth.
Yeah, I need to brush my teeth already.
There it is.
Alright, so we went into this event with the intention to record everything. We wanted to capture every moment, but we ended up having such a good time that we would just get caught up in the moments and we barely recorded. We brought 6 toys, the Murray Kart, the Dingo, 2 mini bikes, Scott's Grom, and the Honda Dirt Bike Predator 212 swap. And we only ended up recording a little of the lowered Coleman mini bike and the Dingo. There were hundreds of people at Mini Mayhem, and everyone was amazing. We kept having problems with the Murray, and as soon as we unloaded it, there was an entourage of people that came to help troubleshoot and fix it. We even broke down a couple miles down a trail, and a group of people didn't even hesitate to tow us back. Thanks so much for the help. We had a blast riding all of our toys, but the highlight of our weekend was meeting Kyle, Dave, and Junk from KJRaycing. Such a great group of guys. We ended up hanging out with them most of the weekend. Kyle even let us drive his homemade crosskarts. Check him out on YouTube to get your own plans, and his full build series on how to build your very own crosskart.
maybe this.
Yeah. Oh, he's getting faster.
Scott put it best. I was racing in one of my favorite YouTubers' crosskarts against one of my favorite YouTubers in his trophy truck. This was my favorite moment. And I beat him. That was fun. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to go back to Busco Beach with new toys and make new friends. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.